Hey guys, this is beautiful. Google is offering career certification you can use for the rest of your life. You don't have to pay for it. It is totally free. All you need is your own time, a Gmail account, a tablet or a phone, and you'll be able to get jobs with these certificates, and also it will help you to step up your career. After obtaining these certificates, you feel like you have been to an university. Kent Walker, who is a senior vice president global affairs at Google, said that Google will treat these certificates as a 4-year degree program. I will say it exactly in his quote. He said, "In our own hiring, we will now treat these new career certificates as the equivalent of a 4-year degree for related roles." Some of these certificates can take you weeks or months to get. If you have enough time in your hands, it can even take you days. And these certificates are easy to understand and they are very user friendly. You don't have to have a programming skills in order to be able to obtain this certificate, or you don't have to even have any knowledge about tech. Basically, with these certificates, you'll be able to work from home, you'll be able to get jobs, you'll be able to do from home. With the way everything is going around the world now, getting work from home jobs have gotten more easier. I know the question you're asking yourself is, how are you going to be able to obtain this certificate, or how are you going to be able to use this certificate to get jobs? So we are going to talk about how you'll be able to apply for this certificate, and how this certificate works, and how you'll be able to use this certificate to make $100 per an hour, and how you'll be able to sell your skills to people out there, and how you'll be able to get those potential clients out there in order to get paid with your certificates. So guys, my name is Mark. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing and show some love to the like button, because it will help me to know that you guys love this kind of content, and it will help me to put out more contents like this that can help you guys out there to get those work from home jobs that are easier to get and that can get you paid properly. Without wasting our time, let's get straight to the video. First, what is Google certification? Google certification are free courses that offer marketable skills to individuals on Google platform, and this includes from Google Ad Manager, Google My Business, Google Ads, Google Analytics, Google Marketing Platform, and even YouTube, and also Waze. All broken down and made so easy to get. Now let's take a look at the site which you can get this Google certificate. It is called skillshop.withgoogle.com. Okay, right now we are at skillshop.withgoogle.com. When you take a look at this, you find out that you will see different topics which you can get the Google certificate, and it's a total of 15 of them. So we have the ones that are most important I would recommend, which is Google Ads, Google Marketing Platform, Google Analytics, Google My Business, YouTube, and Google Ad Manager. And there are the ones you can make most money from, which is this Google Ads here, Google Marketing Platform here, Google Analytics, and Google My Business, also Google Ad Manager. 5 of them are so important. You can make most of the money from it in a freelancer website. And right now, when I click on Google Ads, you will see they have other courses that are already in Google Ads. And we are talking about Google Ads certification here. Apply your Google Ads knowledge, build upon your Google Ads experts. And you don't have to actually do all of them, but if you wish to be able to do all of them and get all the certificates, it is recommended. I will recommend that. So you'll be totally certified by Google, and you'll be totally regarded as a Google professional. So right now, when I click at Google Ads certification, you see there are other little courses that are also embedded in Google Ads certification. And over here it is Google Ads display certification, Google Ads search certification, Google Ads measurement certification, Google Ads video certification, Google shopping ads certification, Google Ads apps certification. And some of them, not even some of them, all of them have a time interval on it. And over here it is written beginner, and this one can take you 2.6 hours just to get this certificate, which is totally wonderful. And this one can take you 3.7 hours in order to get the certificate. But then I'm going to emphasize and focus more on Google Ads display certification just for this purpose. When I click on Google Ads display certification, when you go down on it, you find out that the actual courses themselves you would do is just little. It has a very little time interval. When you look here, you find that this one takes 15 minutes only, this one takes 12 minutes only, this one takes 15 minutes, 12 minutes, and it goes on. So when you have done with these courses, then you'll be able to check your knowledge. Over here, you check your knowledge, like you check your knowledge before you be able to do the assessment. When you check your knowledge, you are able to pass the knowledge, then you can go further to go for the assessment. But when you want to check the knowledge, it is not a compulsory issue, it is optional, it is your choice. If you already know everything about this, you can go straight ahead just to get the Google certificate. But when you check your knowledge, you see and you know that you are able to get the Google certificate, then you can go further for the assessment, and the assessment takes 1.3 hours required, and it is a compulsory issue. So after you have been able to get the Google certificate, you'll now have this ability, and the ability you are going to have is you'll be able to translate a vision for online marketing into a coherent digital marketing strategy. So these are the abilities you are going to be able to have when you have obtained the certificate, and you'll be able to develop a Google display strategy with wider company marketing plans. And you also have the ability to generate a plan to increase awareness, consideration, action, and retention using Google Display. And you also have the ability to develop a plan to reach new and existing customers with Google Display audience. And for the last, you will have the ability to ensure display marketing plan is in alignment with digital marketing budget. So this is where you'll be able to get all this, and this is very fantastic. I will always recommend this for anyone out there to do. When you are able to get a certificate for Google Ad Display certification, then you'll be able to do that to other certificates that are out there. You can be able to do that to Google for education, you can be able to do that for Google marketing platform, you can do that for Google Analytics, Google My Business. You'll be able to get as much certificates you can get out there in order to be able to sell your skills to people out there, in order to be able to sell your skills to the small businesses out there that are looking for people like you, or that are looking for people that have the Google certificate, or that are looking for people that can help them to market their business. I personally use this strategy for me and my brother's business. We have this fish business that we were looking for customers. It was really hard for us, so I brought this idea, why don't we advertise our product? Why don't we try to use internet to generate leads and generate those customers? So I was able to contact somebody who is an expert with all these Google certificates. He had this Google certificate, so he was able to use his knowledge and his ability to generate leads and customers for us. We were happy, he was happy, although it took some time. It took like 1 month, if not up to 2 months, for us to start seeing the customers, but we were very happy about what he did for us. He got paid and he was happy, and we got the customers and we were happy. So you can use this and be able to go to those small businesses out there in your neighborhood, or go to any business out there. It could be a salon, or it could be a pizza shop, it could be a grocery store, it could be any kind of store, plumbing business, it could be even be furniture business, any kind of business out there. You'll be able to use this certificate to generate leads and generate customers for them, and you will get paid, and also you'll be happy and they will be happy. So I'm going to show you, and I'm going to take you to the place right now where you can use this ability to make money, and where you can use this ability to make from $100 to $500, just depending how capable you are and depending how good you are. The first place we are going to check this out is at Upwork. It's a freelancer website. I've already gone ahead to type Google Analytics here, and over here this person charges $80 per hour, and he's located in the US. And down here this person is from Russia, he charges $85 per hour. Over here this person charges $75 per hour and is located in the US. Down here this person charges $50 per hour and is located in Ukraine. So it does not matter where you are located. As long as you have this certificate, you can work from home. You can work anywhere in the world as long as you have internet as well. You'll be able to work while you are eating. You'll be able to work if you're in the train station, if you're on the train, if you're on the bus, if you are swimming, anything you are doing. If possible, even when you are sleeping, you'll be able to work as long as you have internet. So this is a good opportunity for you to be able to get that free certificate and also be able to make money with it and get paid for it. So Google have made this easy for people, and Google have made it possible for people who wants to work remotely to be able to do so. And just like I said before, the way everything is going right now is really easy to get these remote jobs. And the next site we are also going to check out is Fiverr. I've already gone ahead and typed Google My Business on Fiverr, and right here, when you take a look at this, you see the prices ranging at different rates, and it's really funny to see this sometimes. Okay, right now you see this person charging $5, you see this person charging $25, you see this person charging $35, and you also see this person charging $20. You see this person charging $20. The price just ranges from different rates. And over here you see this person charging $550, and you ask yourself, is these people doing the same thing that I'm doing? And now I'm going to point out some few points for you here. When you take a look at this guy, you see that this guy has 51 queues, other queues already. So this person has like a total of 51 jobs that he has in his hands, and there is also reviews. This person has been rated 22,000 times, and he is having 4.9 stars. When you check the next person has 13 order in queue. So this person already have 13 orders in his hands, and also he's been rated 5 stars, and also have had 111 reviews. But there is something very important I would like to point out with Fiverr. Fiverr have something they call pro services. In these pro services, you'll be vetted, like you'll be regarded as an exceptional person, you'll be regarded as an exceptional professional, because Fiverr will vet you and regard it to be a pro member. So it's a membership kind of thing. When you click on these pro services, you see that the prices change, and this is where I want you to look at, because you can easily become a pro member. I'll put the link on how to become a pro member down below in the description, and over here, how to become a pro member. This is where you can actually make the most money from when you are a pro member. And here you see the prices change. Here you see somebody charging $350, you see the person charging $250, you see this person $350, $550, $450. The prices changes, the prices are all over the place. The cheapest I've seen here is this $125 this person is charging right now, and this changes for different individuals. Right now you see this person also charging $980, and I believe, when I've checked so many times, there have been people who have even charged more than $1,000. I like the way Fiverr have been able to make potential clients to understand that they have pro services, and with pro services the client will be able to understand that they are buying an exceptional professional. So the pro service members are regarded to be like kind of exceptional. I like the idea, and sometimes it could kind of limit the number of orders you can get, but when a potential client is on the pro services, they know what they are getting is professional, like a triple professional, because you have been vetted, and that is when you'll be able to charge potential clients more money. And have in mind that some of these small businesses out there that you are going to be working for can wish to retain you, and they can wish to make it to be that they will be paying you every month, and they can wish to make it to be that monthly they will be paying you, like let me say $500. They can pay you ranging from $500 to $1,000 to $2,000 monthly, and you can have more than one business you are taking care of. You can have more than one business you are doing like kind of little changes on their business in order to bring down potential leads and potential customers for them. And when you take a look at this properly, you find out that you can have from 1 to 20 to 30 potential businesses, small businesses out there that you can be doing little changes on their website. You can be doing little changes on their business in order to bring that potential customers. So imagine you have a particular small business that is paying you $500, and you have 10 of it that is paying $500. We are talking about like $5,000 on a monthly basis. And if you have like 20 of them that is paying you, let me use the word $500 again, you'll be able to have like $10,000 on a monthly basis. So there are potential small businesses out there that are willing to retain you and be paying you on a monthly basis in order to take care of their online services, and in order to take care of their online presence, and in order to bring their business back to life, just like I did with my own business. There are over 30 million small businesses out there in America alone, and these small businesses are looking for people who can help them to promote their business through Google Ads and Google Ad Manager. And there is another freelancer site I'm going to mention now called FlexJob. In this freelancer site, you'll be able to register it and also see potential clients and see small businesses that come out here and post vacancies. When you take a look at here, I already gone ahead to type Google Ads up here, and when you see this one, you see that Google Ads specialist. So they need a Google Ads specialist. Participate in the formation of paid search strategies, optimize and launch PPC campaigns, oversees accounts, monitor budgets and adjust bids to gain ROI. SEO and digital marketing concept knowledge is needed. Remote position. So over here you will see different small businesses that come over here to post vacancies, and some of these jobs you can do them anywhere in the world. Like this one is written work from anywhere. This one is only in the US. This one work from anywhere. This one also in the US. This one you can work from France, Spain, Germany, Italy, or US national is needed. So most of them is work from anywhere, and some of them you have to be in that particular country in order to work. Now I can kind of filter it by date. When I click on date, you see that the recent ones, the recent small businesses that just posted like a job opportunity, you see them most. Like this one was posted today, the digital marketing specialist, only US national is needed, and this one was posted 2 days ago, and this other one was posted 2 days ago, which is funnel strategics. I don't even know what that means, to be honest. Social media and digital community manager. With these Google certificates, you'll be able to get most of these jobs. You'll be able to get 90% of these jobs that are remote. Have in mind that this certificate is not something that is going to take your whole year. It's not something that is going to take your whole time. You are going to get this certificate at your own pace. So you are literally going to go through this certificate at your own time, anytime you want. And these certificates are user friendly and also easy to get. So don't be scared, don't be worried about your time. It is your own time you'll be working. You have to be the one to have this time in your hands. Google have made it easy for everybody out there to be able to get this certificate and also work with it and get most of this remote job. Just like the vice president said of global affairs at Google said, he said that these certificates are actually being regarded as a 4-year degree, and this is actually a good concept because this is Google. Most company will be accepting it, and I have a friend who has actually finished the whole of the courses, and he was able to get job with the Scottish Council, and he's currently working with the Scottish Council. He told me on his interview day, when they saw his CV, that he has most of these certificates, and they were really impressed that he was able to have them all. So this is also a good way in order to uplift and upgrade your career, or in order, even though you didn't go to school, or even though you don't have any certificate in your hand, even though it's just high school you finish, or you didn't even go to high school at all, I believe you'll be able to do this certificate and be able to use it to work and have some remote jobs that you can get paid properly out there. And there are people out right now who are already doing these jobs and who are already having these certificates and making good amount of money with it. So this is where your boy Mark is going to wrap up today's video. So make sure you subscribe and show some love to the like button because I will appreciate it. I do appreciate it. This is your boy signing out. You have a great day there and remain blessed as always. Peace, guys.